Hi friends, today we are going to see the essay on self-introduction for students. Hello everyone, my name is Krutika and I'm really excited to introduce myself to all of you today. I come from Nasik city of Maharashtra and I have recently joined the Sanskar International School as a student of 11th Science. I am truly grateful for the opportunity to be a part of this institution. Let me tell you a little bit more about myself. I have always been passionate about learning and exploring new things. I enjoy subjects like mathematics, science, and I believe that education is the key to unlocking a better future. I am a curious person by nature and I like to ask questions, seek answers, and understand how things work. Apart from academics, I have several hobbies and interests that help me stay balanced and creative. I love reading novels, drawing, playing the guitar, and watching documentaries. These hobbies help me relax and allow me to express myself in different ways. I also enjoy spending time with friends and family as I believe good relationships are very important in life. In my previous school, I was actively involved in various extracurricular activities like debates, sports, music, cultural programs, and student council. I believe that these experiences taught me valuable life skills such as teamwork, communication, time management, and leadership. I look forward to continuing my participation in such activities here as well and learning even more. As a person, I consider myself to be calm, friendly, and hardworking. I try to stay positive and help others whenever I can. I enjoy working in groups and sharing ideas with my classmates. I strongly believe that learning is more meaningful when we grow together as a team. Looking ahead, my goal is to become an engineer. I know that the road to success is not easy, but I'm ready to put in the effort and stay committed to my goals. I believe that every step I take here will bring me closer to that dream. I'm truly excited about this new journey and the many opportunities that lie ahead. I hope to make new friends, learn from inspiring teachers, and create beautiful memories here. I am also eager to contribute positively to my class and this institution in any way I can. Thank you so much for listening to me. I look forward to spending a wonderful time with all of you and growing together both academically and personally. If you enjoy our videos, Please like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comment which topic you'd like to see next. Thanks.